Hello, in this video, I'm going to tell you what is different in my weight loss program that you will not find in other programs. Empower YDMBR Weight Loss is not another weight loss program. It is a rejuvenation program that takes advantage of the body's rebuilding reaction to weight loss. Most weight loss programs do not put special emphasis on core health improvement at the fundamental biochemical or cellular level. They are based simply on the formula calories consumed minus calories utilized divided by 4,000 is equal to pounds lost. No doubt that it is true and it will work for you. You certainly need to keep that in mind. But if you aim to improve your health, that means to look good, feel good, be more energetic, drop A1C, drop blood pressure, get more output done, have more time on your hand to enjoy life, live a more vigorous life, and even be able to enjoy your vices in a more naturally enjoyable fashion that your body is yearning for. There is no alternative to my program. You will improve your health with each pound you lose. In fact, it is a good thing to have a few pounds available to lose. That is because we can take advantage of the reconstructive drive or rebuilding drive the body produces when you lose weight. And we can build a better body for you than you have now. Another advantage of this program is that you become more and more disciplined, and that will show up in everything that you do. The health improvement will be seen and felt. That is the only way to create a more sustainable new lifestyle that you would love to continue for the rest of your life. This is a YDMBR program, and YDMBR stands for Yoga Driven Mind and Body Rejuvenation. Thank you for listening.